medium-sized pot, and we're gonna show you how to stop eat bread. Of about 2 teaspoons of olive oil in the front pan like this. Carrot, we're gonna put inside. Put the carrot in the pot. White onion, we're gonna put inside of it. This is yellow pepper, red pepper, green pepper, some garlic, spring onion. Put some cloves, pimento seed, coriander seed. Give it a stir. This is the bread. Look at it. Oh yes. Chuck it in. I'm gonna put this inside of it also. So delicious. Alright, give it a stir. So we put some salt and some black pepper. Yeah. Okay, cook for a few minutes. See how it look. Alright guys. Yeah. We're gonna plate it up. So it looks so far. That looking good. Some coriander and chives, a little bit of pepper on it. Alright, that's as you can see. Guys, basically as you can see. So when I said stop eat fish and bread, I'm just making the salad to say you can have fish and salad also. Alright? And vegetables. So big up on yourself every time. My respect. Happy Easter to every one of you guys.